Working.
William, it's my turn to get on the computer.
Let me finish this tutorial.
No. Yes. Fine then.
Better get the guns. Oh yeah, I'm ready, baby.
I'm gonna kick that person.
I won't.
Great point. Here's the Giants, and we were talking about this before the game as well. Here's the Giants. They're contending for division title potentially. Certainly their maybe even the wild card. How many teams that are this good
Put this one
themselves
instead.
going out and trying to
I'm ready now. I will get you! What the?
there they go.
Come out!
Tap back to Vogelsong.
Ah!
Tim, where do you stand on this type of situation? 8th place hitter in the National League, pitcher on deck, first base open.
Depends on the 8th place hitter.
In this case, Moss. Go after it.
Sitting 8th for a reason. And we talked about Vogelsong being able to work the lanes inside and
Okay.
outside. That's where I'll go. I think you fool with the breaking ball in this situation for two reasons. To get away from Susac. They're going to walk him. That way you... And sure,
Ah!
that's guaranteed.
So the plan now, the bases loaded inside 175.
I started! Ah!
Down the weapon.
He a two-time manager of the year. The 60-year-old, by the way, that was born in France. The man who
Got that
was the
settled?
first foreign manager to reach the World Series. When he did that with Padres back in
What the?
1998. Padres
You
swept
out!
the Yankees that
You
season.
traitor.
There were two bases.
Ah! Oh.
Bruce wanted to go to the base where he thought he was born. Well, he went to the wrong one. That was his sister. His sister made his plan. And he was all emotional the whole bit. He said, no, you're not born here. So he never really
Finally.
got the other one.
Watch that video.
So Bruce never made it to the area
That teaches you a lesson.
where he was born.
So he's all riled up. He's emotional. He feels the connection there. Oh, by the way, it's not the right place. Oops.
Let me go check.
Wrong base.
Wrong place.
Well,
Finally,
changing it
I
a little
can get
bit
back to my
today,
video.
guys. Yeah, it's not Team Lizard and Team Chicken and Penguin.